I'm going to show you today how to make an acai bowl, my husband's favorite. I took a picture of all of the ingredients up front, so I will put that picture below to show you. But I'm going to use this acai powder. I have used the frozen kind before too. This was just in the store, so I thought that I would try it this time. First, we're gonna put half of a banana in this NutriBullet. Now I have the bigger NutriBullet here. I did not mean to buy this. I thought it was gonna be the normal size one, the one that I had before. But my mom has the Ninja and it is awesome. So that's what I'm gonna save for next. But half a banana in here. And then I'm gonna put the acai powder. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons. One full scoop of this Vega proteins. The more frozen fruit you use in these, the better. That's what's gonna make your bowl super thick and good to eat out of a spoon. As my husband says, why put a smoothie in a bowl? Because you can add texture and everything to it. It's just so good. But to him, food goes in one way and out the other, and whatever is most convenient, that's what he's wanting. So 1/3 cup of dark sweet cherries, frozen, and a full cup of this mixed fruit right here. So this is pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mangoes. We're gonna do like almond milk, and I normally don't really ever measure this, but I will just so I'll have something to put for y'all. So I'm gonna do 1 cup first, mix it up, and we'll see if I need to add more. I'm gonna put the lid on here. Okay, now I'm gonna pour my bowl into my bowl. So it's kind of thick. Okay, so after you get that out, I'm gonna make the top pretty. Really thin slices are, for some reason, to me, yummy. They taste better than a whole banana or a thick banana. Okay, so I got that, and then we're gonna lay it like this. I'm gonna add some granola to the bowl.